Hey everyone, we're going to use the diagram at the right to find all the measures of the angle. So we're doing number 5 first. We have the measure of angle 1 equals 115 degrees. So this is 115 degrees. And by the vertical angle theorem, so is the measure of angle 3. Now we're going to use our supplementary angle theorem and know that for vertical angles, 2 and 3 are supplementary, so we're going to take 180 degrees minus 115 degrees, and that's going to give us 65 degrees. So angle 2 is, the measure of angle 2 is 65, and therefore also the measure of angle 4 is also 65 degrees. So the measure of angle 2 equals 65 degrees, and the measure of angle 4 is also 65 degrees. And if you add all these up, it should equal 360 degrees for a complete circle. All right, the next one is number 6. So we know the measure of angle 2 equals 64 degrees. And that also means the measure of angle 4 is also 64 degrees. So all of these are pretty much the same. And then we're going to take our supplementary angle theorem, and for the measure of angle 1 and the measure of angle 3. So for the measure of angle 3, that's going to be 180 degrees minus 64 degrees. And that gives you 116 degrees. So that's 116. That means the measure of angle 1 is also 116 degrees. And again, this should all equal 360 degrees. If you add them all up. And then maybe you can try the next ones on your own. We have a measure of 112 degrees. So this is 112 degrees. And to get, that's angle 1. And to get angle 2 and 4, you just take 180 minus 112 degrees. And that's going to equal, let's see, 68 degrees. So these two are 68 degrees. And again, the whole thing equals 360 degrees. And the last one is this one. We have the measure of angle 4 is 67 degrees. That means a measure of angle 2 is also 67 degrees. And then for the other two, we use our supplementary angle theorem and take 180 degrees minus 67 degrees. And that's going to give you 113 degrees. So by the vertical angle theorem, these are both going to be 113 degrees. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.